Hey Kirsten, do you have time for a quick chat?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. We're here at Gallagher's headquarters in Hamilton, New Zealand. Can you tell us what Gallagher Security does?
Yeah, sure. We provide system solutions for access control and intruder detection.
Sounds cool. And what do you do here?
I'm the lead engineer for the security hardware in the devices value stream. I am responsible for the technical design of the security products.
Sounds like an amazing role. Can you share 5 things you need to create a highly successful career in manufacturing?
I believe the first thing would probably be overcoming imposter syndrome. I often feel like I don't belong or I don't have the right skill set to bring to the table. I often have to work hard to grow that confidence and to speak up when it's needed. Do you guys want to go see the factory?
Yeah, I'd love to. So Kirsten, got another tip?
Yeah, sure. I believe working out how to balance your home and work life is very important. Helps you maximise both your time at home and at work.
Can you share something else?
Making time to inspire others is pretty important. I make sure I go to high schools regularly to encourage students to take up engineering and manufacturing.
Hey Kirsten, can you share a 4th tip?
Yeah, I think it's very important to be willing to say yes to doing things that are outside your comfort zone, like speaking in front of large groups or doing presentations. I've actually got a meeting. Do you want to head back to my office?
Sure thing, let's go. How about a 5th and final tip?
Yeah, I think it's very important to acknowledge that we all bring different perspectives to the table. It helps everyone feel appreciated and then overall we're all more successful.
Thanks for the chat, Kirsten. We'll leave you to it.
Thanks for stopping by.